Kubor nakaslem jong unongsan Hima.
Menteri Rangba ke Jylla Conrad sangma hendak sengi ha bekaran bagi noto kubor hadian ke Jylla ha sekretariat ulai tu baka Sorkar kelas shimikarai baki bladep ban artika baro arsin kimdar kamshu ban letas ha baki wan ke Jylla daga RT-PCR ulai tu ru baka Sorkar kelabang no eka curfew ha kepor ban mir kiskul na do kelas ka banikang ha do kelas ka basan kin sedang ban pleno na do senginikang But habai day bagi jinjat kikali kata ka all but even number nakaleng Menteri Rangba ulai thu bakane kandang trikam. Shishu Menteri Rangba ulai thu ru baka Sorkar kelapin bena ba amdan shu ban panjing bet hablit the breu. Ndai kidai ban boranti yaki kandon ya da COVID. Habai day bagi jinlang patba jingatho kidai ban panjing bet naki DC lani naki SDO. Habai day bagi restoran, cinema, ki bar, lasha tan ki blada ban ai baro arsin ya katika.
Those who are double vaccinated will not require the RT-PCR test anymore. So if you're double vaccinated, you can enter the state. So we'll be lifting the condition of testing for double vaccinated individuals. Number 2, night curfew will be lifted. Number 3, schools will be fully functional from Monday onwards, that is class 1 to 5 in Shillong especially. Number 6, this is already in fact has been decided, but I just want to reiterate that for funerals, no permissions will be required, but COVID protocols need to be followed, and obviously there has to be restrictions on the number of people. For large gatherings and public meetings and weddings, we have, so basically permissions are being granted for this also. It was done a few weeks back. I'm just reiterating it, that all of these will be allowed, and only permission from the Deputy Commissioner or the SDO will be required, and even the numbers will be decided by the Deputy Commissioner and the SDO based on the venue where the programs will take place. This also includes processions as well. In bars, restaurants and movie theatres, it will be double vaccinated people will be allowed, and the odd even will continue in Shillong, and yeah, so those are the decisions that were made today. And all of, I'm sorry, this all will be effective from Friday. So today is Wednesday, that means, so from 11th, so 11th is Friday, right?
Yes.
Yeah. So from 11th of February, all these decisions will be effective from Friday onwards. Yeah, this is a question you should have asked, the first question. Number 1, we have seen that the numbers are going down in terms of the positive cases. We have seen also that the people affected by COVID and the number of deaths that have taken place, though every life is precious, but we've seen that the impact of this wave has not been so much in terms of the number of lives we have lost. Number 3, we have also seen that the lives that we have lost are not directly COVID related, though they were COVID positive, but they had other serious conditions. So therefore, keeping all of these factors in mind, we are seeing a trend, and this is based on facts and figures. We are seeing a trend where the numbers are reducing, the positivity rate is going down, the number of deaths is far lesser than what it was earlier. And therefore, while we always try to balance between the safety and health of the people and the economic conditions, activities, we strongly feel that normalcy must return. So therefore, we can't let our guards down fully, but we will take precaution. But I think we need to ease the overall restrictions so that normalcy can return to the state. But I still urge our citizens that we must continue to follow the protocols, and we must always keep ourselves safe. But we are hopeful, and we hope that we will see things improve in the future also. But one has to be careful still, and we cannot take things like that.